Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and the first question is: hydrogen bonding between separate subunits of DNA polymerase is an example of which of the following? And here is the variance of the answers. Pretty easy question and pretty easy answer. Take a look. First degree structure, we also say primary structure. Second degree structure, we also say secondary structure. Third degree structure, we also say tertiary structure. And fourth degree structure, we say quaternary structure. We also can notate them as follows. So first degree, second degree, third degree, and fourth degree. Now let's read our question again. Hydrogen bonding between separate subunits, let me underline, separate subunits of DNA polymerase. Polymerase is active protein. Proteins usually consist of separate subunits, and this gives us a hint that this is quaternary structure. So here's one structural subunit, here's another structural subunit, and these subunits can be a result of the translation of the different genes. And they then come together and make different form of the enzyme. So our choice is going to be answer D. This is example of the quaternary structure. Next question: the unique cyclic structure of which of the following amino acids plays central role in the formation of alpha helixes and beta sheets? And here's the variants to choose from. And it is very easy to answer this question if you know that there is only one such amino acid which has cyclic structure. Take a look, and this is proline. Side chain of this amino acid joins amino group of the backbone, making this amino acid rigid so it doesn't bend. And we usually find this amino acid in the proteins where amino acid chain makes abrupt turns because of this rigid structure. It is important to memorize this amino acid because most likely you are going to have such question on your exam. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.